This is a brief overview of the specific heat lab. The things you'll need for this lab are a hot plate, a beaker filled with water, 2 metal cylinders with strings attached to them, a thermometer, and a calorimeter with a stir. The first thing you want to do is to find and record the mass of the inner chamber and the stir together, and the mass of the 2 metal cylinders. After you've done that, you're going to want to turn on the hot plate on to high and put the metal cylinders into the water. What I like to use is a piece of wood so it keeps the strings from burning on the hot plate. While you're waiting for the water to boil, you're going to want to take the inner chamber with a stir and fill it up halfway with cool water and record its mass. The reason to do this is we need to know the mass of the cool water that you added. Once the water has started to boil, you're going to want to find the initial temperature of the cold water you just added. Do this by inserting the thermometer into the cold water, waiting about a minute till you find its initial temperature. Once you have found its initial temperature and the water has been boiling for about a minute, you're going to want to quickly take the hot metal solid out of the boiling water and insert it into the calorimeter and put the top on. Stir this around using the metal cylinders. Insert the thermometer, but make sure that it doesn't touch the bottom of the calorimeter because it will give us a false reading, and find the change in temperature of the water. After you've done this, repeat all of the steps for the second hot metal solid, and make sure once you're done with the lab that you get your lab initialed.